Which bank has launched WhatsApp banking? Axis Bank has launched WhatsApp banking. The main aim for this launch is to help customers and address the banking needs of its customers, and this helps the customer that they can use the banking services at any place and any time through this chatting app. When is World Wildlife Day is celebrated? World Wildlife Day is celebrated on March 3rd. This was started by United Nations, and the theme of this World Wildlife Day is forests and individuals, livelihood, sustaining The theme of this World Wildlife Day is forests and individuals' livelihoods, sustaining people and planet. And this theme was decided by United Nations. India has launched the real-time vessel tracking system in order to help the seafarers and fishermen as and when they need. Okay, I'm going to explain what is this. India has launched real-time vessel tracking system. This system has been named as Sagar Manthan Mercantile Marine Domain Awareness Center, that is MMDC. This has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at Maritime India Summit 2021. I repeat the sentence: Sagar Manthan Mercantile Marine Domain Awareness Center. Who has inaugurated the Udaipur Science Center on February 28, 2021 at Udaipur? Tripura's Governor Ramesh Bais has inaugurated Udaipur Science Center on February 28, 2021. Governor of Tripura is Ramesh Bais and Biplab Kumar Deb is the Chief Minister of Tripura. Let's see the next question. What is A in NASSCOM? Let's abbreviate what is NASSCOM. NASSCOM is National Association of Software and Services Companies. See, what is NASSCOM? NASSCOM is a National Association of Software and Services Companies. So, A in NASSCOM is association. Therefore, answer is option C. Why is this in news? NASSCOM is all set to launch artificial intelligence game changers in India. This program will be launched to promote the artificial intelligence innovation across the country. This program being run in collaboration with the innovation partner Microsoft. The Parliament of India have merged two of the TV channels, namely Lok Sabha TV and Rajya Sabha TV, into an integrated channel called. Previously, we used to have two channels, that is Lok Sabha TV and Rajya Sabha TV, which used to telecast the hearings and the meetings which were held in these two sabhas. And now these two TVs were merged into one channel, that is called as Sansad TV. The new platform continues to live telecast the House proceedings, PAC news and current affairs programs in Hindi as well as in English language, both Hindi and English. Let's see the next question. The National Polio Immunization Program in India began in which month of 2021? It had begun in late January, that is on 31st January 2021. It is also known as Pulse Polio Immunization Program. Pulse Polio Immunization Program. Polio program always begins on Sunday So it is also called as polio rabivar. What is orobanche? Orobanche is a parasitic weed. Orobanche is a hidden parasitic weed in mustard, causing severe yield loss, that is up to an extent of 50% of loss. Till now there are no techniques to prevent this orobanche. Orobanche is also called as broom rapes. Also called as broom rapes. Why it is in news? It is in news because a workshop was held on technological management options to control orobanche in mustard. It was held by Institute of Pesticide Technology and ICAR. Let's see the next question. Which state government has launched Garo Ki Pension Chalik Naam scheme? Uttarakhand state government has launched Garo Ki Pension Chalik Naam scheme. This means daughter's name is house identity. Such a good scheme. The CM of Uttarakhand is Trivendra Singh Rawat. I am writing here. This scheme was first started in Nainital and then extended to whole Uttarakhand. Let's see the next question. Brookesia nana is a recently discovered chameleon from which country? Brookesia nana is a recently discovered chameleon from Madagascar. It was said to be the smallest adult reptile till now found. Previously, Brookesia micro was known as the smallest one. Now, Brookesia nana has become the smallest known adult reptile. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on the video. For any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Hit the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you.